Okay, so this is the advanced presentation, the ECDL advanced presentation qualification that we do here at Coventry University. And I'm going to cover some of the tricky areas using videos, and we're using the pre-online revision paper and those work files in order to demonstrate it. So this question 7, is going to be dealing with the training presentations. We'll need to open that. We need to edit slide 4 as follows. So we need a rectangular gradient fill in a colour of our choice. We need to do that at 80% transparency effect. Then apply an offset centre shadow, and in the 3D rotation effect we need 50 degrees on the X and 10 degrees on the Y, and then we'll just save it with the same name. So if you want to come along with me, let's do this together. Okay, so we're using the presentation pre-online revision work files, and we're going to open up training. So double click on there, go to slide 4, and then you can see the image here. So if I select the image, and then in order to get the pane up to do the different features that we need and effects, I'm going to just do that again, right click, and you need to make sure that you see format shape. If you right click in another area, sometimes you will get the wrong option coming up, so just be careful. Okay, so format shape, and that will bring this pane up. You also have the format tab at the top here that gives you similar features. Sometimes you may find something in here that you don't find in here and vice versa, but we'll point those things out as we go along. So the first area of the task is to use the fill feature, a gradient fill, and we need to change our type to a rectangular, and then it says to choose a colour of our choice. Apply that to it. Then we need to change the transparency, so it's the same effect, the same object. So I'm going to type in an 88 in there, so it's 80. And then we're going to go to the effects, next one along in the shape options, to choose that one. We need a drop down on the shadow, and we're going to go into the presets, and we're looking for an offset center shadow effect. So I'm going to have a look around the center ones. There it is there, but you can have a look. There's plenty of other ones to look at as well. So I'm going to go for that. Okay, it's got a slight shadow on it. Then we need to go into the 3D rotation for part D. And on the X, we're going to have a 50, so I'm going to type a 5 in there. And on the Y, we want a 10 degrees. And then you can see that it's made quite a beautiful effect actually on that image. So then you would just go on and save and close. So that's question 7, part A, B, C and D. Thank you.